In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services on Wix. Full tutorial 2025. Let's start by setting up the tool that powers bookings. Log into your Wix account and open your dashboard. From the left menu, click Apps, then open App Market. In the search bar, type Wix Bookings and add it to your site. The moment it's installed, Wix automatically creates the essentials for selling services, a services page where visitors can browse what you offer, a booking calendar that handles scheduling, and a My Bookings page so clients can view and manage their appointments. This foundation saves time and keeps everything organized from the start. Next, create your first service. Go to Booking Services and click Add a Service. Choose the format that fits what you provide. Appointment for one-on-one sessions, class for recurring group sessions, or course if you run a program with multiple sessions and a defined timeline. Add a clear service name and a description that focuses on outcomes, what clients will gain, and who it's best for. Set the duration based on the actual time you spend, including a brief transition so your schedule stays realistic. Enter your price and select the location, whether you meet on Zoom, by phone, or in person. When the details look right, click Save. Now decide when clients can book you. Open availability and set your working hours, like weekdays or specific blocks that match your routine. If you know there are dates you can't take appointments, such as holidays, travel, or production days, block those out so your calendar stays accurate and there are no surprises for clients. With services and hours in place, you're ready to accept payments. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments, and connect the provider you prefer, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Wix Payments. Choose how you want to charge for sessions. Collect the full payment upfront, take a deposit to secure the spot, or allow pay after session if that better suits your workflow. Consider the client experience, cash flow, and any provider fees as you make your selection. Finally, customize the booking experience to match your brand. Open the Wix editor to adjust the layout so information is easy to scan, update colors to align with your palette, and add testimonials to build trust. Include a concise FAQ section that answers common questions like what to prepare, how rescheduling works, and where the session takes place. When everything looks polished and consistent, click Publish and your services are live and ready to book.